Emakhosini Salman Dumela ngapsheni ende low. This Dr. Utikela Makehla nyangenkulu yaseNingizimu Afrika bakwethu ngiyakubulisa ngudumedisa ka lerato ka pelo entle yebo gogo ka pelo ebulehileng zabe nje ngutshela manga athi khona okubi ayikho into embi njengoba singabantu izimo ziningi, things are happening all the time. You can never dwell on the issues zezinto ezimbi ezenzakele ozizinto ukuthi ziphile enhlizweni yakho, but into iyayitsala. Mamela ngwaneso, I want to talk about this topic ingene nje kuya ngifuna ukuyale nale. I want to talk to business entrepreneurs, tenderpreneurs, and each and everyone onezinto abantu abathi bona basebenzela. Bathi mamele ke ngwena, kunesimo sokuthi uma singabantu abamnyama, we always tend to think ukuthi abanye abantu ba normal njengathi. People out there are not normal, my dear. People out there, they are using extraordinary things that you can't even blow your mind to think about. Some other things of which are being used by all these people, I want to tell you, Guti, there are things of which have never even crossed your mind ever. You'll ask yourself a question, Guti, you did well for the past 20 years, or for the past 10 years, or for the past 15 years, or for the past 12 years, or for the past 5 years, but yet today you can't even do anything for impilo yako. Today you are wondering which impilo yako hlangene. You can't even buy yourself a simple cell phone, a simple car, a simple clothes, simple what? But you used to be very powerful. You used to be very powerful. I'm talking to business people. I'm talking to workers. I'm talking to hustlers. I'm talking to abantu ukuthi barebona. They know ukuthi emhlabeni what are they standing for. I'm not talking to abama chance nabantu ukuthi bahlala bamela ngini bangazibafunani. Ngikuma ngabantu abathi Dr. Uti nginezinto zami noma benginezinto zami. This message is for you. This message is for you. Message e ke how. Ha ke buile batho ba ileng gore ke matikatsi fela se mo raitsang ka bophelo. Ke buele batho ba ileng gore bare ke galegele fielding ya chelete, ke gale retsa chelete, ke gale ke roka kutala ngthunga. I've been a fashion designer for years. I've been doing things for years. I've been here and there for years. But yet, impilo yami I feel like ngifuna ukuthi ifike khona. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know ukuthi inkinga yami. Angazi ukuthi inkinga yami ihleli kuphi. I don't know ukuthi inkinga yami yini. Mamele ke ngwena. Bazozithatha izinto zakho. It's my topic of the day. Bazozithatha izinto zakho. And I mean it. Uyabona uma umuntu omnyama urana to become a millionaire, or urana a multi-millionaire company, or urana as a person ofuna ukuthi phezu kwempilo yakho uphakame till you die, kumele kube nento ozoma ngayo. Kumele kube nento ozoma ngayo. Kumele kube nento ozophila ngayo. Kumele kube nento ozoyisebenzisa. You can never just say you are running a garage somewhere in Sandton. You are running a garage around South Africa, but ayikho into mengayo. You can have all those nice cars, luxurious cars that you have. You can have all those things of which you have. You can be respected as much as you want, but there will come a time. There will come a time where abantu ukuthi bathwele ngezinto strong. Abantu ukuthi they are doing serious sacrifices. They'll snatch whatever thing of which you have ezandleni zakho. When I say that, I mean ukuthi kusasa ungavuka ikhampani yakho isiwile. Kusasa ungavuka usungayenzi anything well. Kusasa ungathola ukuthi yonke into yakho ayisambi kahle. You'll be blaming ubuthakathi, blaming what. But the problem is that wena ubungamanga nganix, you had nothing on your side. Kumele kube nento ozoma ngayo. Kumele kube nento ezovikela into zakho. Kumele kube nento ezovikela ama companies wakho. Kumele kube nento ozophila ngayo. Kunabantu ukuthi baningi, they were doing well ngereign ka Jacob Zuma. Jacob Zuma's reign. Many people were doing well during Jacob Zuma's reign. But kuthi makufika ireni kaRamaphosa, abantu abakade be-powerful kunabo, they all got the tenders, they all got the tenders and everything. Today, namhlanje, they are nothing. Phambi kobuso baseNingizimu Afrika kunabantu ukuthi they are very powerful ever. Today you are nothing. Today you have nothing. Today impilo yakho is just a stumbling block. Awuyiphezulu awuyiphansi umile nje akunanto ekhanyayo. Kunabantu abanjalo. People of which seriously need help. Kumele kube nento ozoma ngayo. Udinga into yakho ezwaziwa wena wedwa. Ohloka nto. I'm telling you, don't be charmed by having that 10 million in your bank. Don't be charmed. It is nothing. By having that 15 million in your bank, don't be charmed. It is nothing. Nothing at all, I mean to say. Nothing at all for that matter. There are people there in Kimberley, Kuruman, Rustenburg, Marikana, people of which are giving people tenders. After giving them tenders, ulinde ukuthi now bakunikeze your share, you are not getting anything. But yet you are making them rich. And for you to give them those tenders, maybe there are about 6 companies who applied. When I choose a laba, uthi imali izongena, abakunikezi lutho, ingoba kunento ukuthi awumanga ngayo. Nalinto sayimanga yona. Kumele kube nento ozoma ngayo. This video is strictly ngizothini kuwena clear and easy. Wayuka from A to Z into engisho ukuthi kumele kube nento ozoma ngayo, otherwise bazozithatha izinto zakho. Batlodinga into tsa. The people of which believe in you, they worship you with love, honesty, and power. They'll turn against you. You might be a pastor, you might be a prophet, you might be anything that you can think of. Don't be fooled. Ngabantu abakutshela ukuthi bona bazi inkosi zomoya, bona basuka kuNkulunkulu, bona abantu bame ngezinto ezimbi ngala ngaphandle. Abantu bame ngezinto ezistrong ezizokumangaza futhi. So listen to me very carefully when I say to you, and believe you me. Kumele kube nento ozoma ngayo. Otherwise, imoto zakho, izindlu zakho, ama-assets wakho, it might not be now, but there will come a time where the sheriff will knock at your door. Usungena plan. Yonke into yakho isimosheka. Yonke into yakho isihlangahlangana. Ngifonele ngikwenzele into ozoma ngayo. Number to call, the numbers of which you have to call to, they are appearing on the screen. Siyabonga.